you know, Iron Man mask, helmet to cover my face better.
Next time I order for you one Iron Man mask.
Good. Okay, so special thanks to Mr. Elvin, Mr. Paul, and Mr. Arun, Mr. Muti, Mr. Abang Reyes, and a lot of my key supporter. Okay, so tonight I'm going to share some very basic skill, okay, to all my fellow friends, because know why? Actually, based on the market feedback, okay, I know our ATM actually is a super powerful tools. Okay, yet a lot of our users don't really know how to maximize the profit through our ATM. Okay, it's a bit wasted lah. Okay, so tonight I'm going to share about how are we going to better use of ATM, and I will only share some very basic chart analysis skill. Okay, because trading skill and the knowledge is not gained by suddenly I can become an expert. But based on our slogan, easy buying, lifetime profit, I hope recap board can help us to release a lot of job, so we can become more relaxed by earning money in an easier way lah. But still some basic effort is required. So I'm going to share some screen. Share screen. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So I guess this thing is look very familiar to most of you. This is what I screenshot from my Binance account. So what is so important? So the thing is basically a lot of my friends will ask me, what am I going to do when I want to use ATM? So the first thing is have to decide which coin is considered a potential coin, to activate the robot. So our first question is choose the right coin. So how to choose? Based on my own personal experience in the most basic way. The first thing, for me, I will check like at the moment which coin is having a big drop compared to the previous price. So based on this chart, we can see the first one, Rose. Sorry a minute. Rose. This coin, at that time, as example, is 17% price difference from the previous price. So this is very important. We can see among the list a lot of coin. So the first thing is this price range, the dropping percentage is giving us a hint. This should be considered one of the coin I can choose. So the first thing is the percentage, the negative percentage, and the second thing, I will check the trading volume. So this is the thing, trading volume. So you can see Rosa is having 130 million trading volume for the past 24 hours. And GMT crazy lah, 1.24 billion of trading volume. So these two coins is considered having very active and high volume coin. At the same time, the price is still decreasing, still dropping. So if you compare to other coins like you see CELR only having 2.3 million of trading volume. So it's considered very normal. I can say very less trading volume, meaning not many users or not many people are trading this coin. So I will not consider this is the better option. So after you get the several, maybe few option, so what is the third thing, next thing to do? So we check the next picture. So see this is Rose, right? Rose. So we take Rose as an example. So this is the chart, and a lot of people is if you never learn about how to study the chart, ignore all the line. the yellow color one, the pink color one, the purple color one, or the line, you just ignore it. Okay. So we just look at the candle, the candlestick. Okay. I zoom. I zoom the picture first. Okay. So you can see. Okay. So here you can see. Okay, this is the 1 hour chart. Okay, very important. If you can see here, you can choose in between 1 hour chart, 15 minutes, or 4 hour one day. Normally, my own behavior. Okay, my own way lah. Okay, I will study the 1 hour chart first. Okay, what am I going to look? Okay, very basic one actually. Okay, I will check the previous height here. Here is the previous height, 0.33, and the previous low, okay, 0.23. And most important thing is the current price. So this is the current price. So we can see from the chart, okay, if you can look further, you can see from the chart, okay, from the current price, okay, from the current price up to the previous height is about maybe 20% or more than 20% of price dropping, and the previous low, okay, is a very just a little bit only. So we can predict, okay, this coin at the moment based on this chart, okay, is having a very good potential to bounce back, okay, because what our target is only maybe 3% of profit or maybe 4% of the profit for the specific order. So for the price 0.256, okay, you want to get about 3%, 4% is something very easy. If the price keep dropping, this one we need to check the second picture, the next picture. Okay. So this chart, the most important thing is need to check the previous high and previous low, and also the current price, and see the gap. Okay. Next picture. After that, after this, okay. After this, okay, what I'm going to check is the 4 hour chart. You see, it's a 4 hour chart. Because when you check the 4 hour chart, okay, you can minimize the chart so you can see further. Okay, so see further what? The time frame. You can check here the time frame. Okay, so you can see the previous low now is 0.2. It's about 0.2. Okay, and it's about maybe say 2 weeks or maybe 3 weeks before it's a previous low. So compared to the current price, okay, the gap become bigger lah. But still, okay, the bounce back potential is still higher, okay, than the price is keep dropping. Okay, so this is the third thing we need to study. Okay, the 4 hour chart. Okay, very simple only. Very simple technique. Okay. So and this another thing. What can say the last thing you need to check is the BTC price. Okay, why? Because we need to know almost all the alternative coin, okay, the price is affected by the BTC Bitcoin price. Okay, so the Bitcoin movement is very crucial for us to predict, okay, whether the coin price is going to uptrend or downtrend. Okay, so first we can see this is a 4 hour chart of Bitcoin price. Okay, so the Bitcoin price currently is about 43,000 like that. Okay, and the previous high is about 48,000 plus, and the previous low 37,000. Okay, so we can see, okay, now the price is about in a correction range. Okay, meaning what? Meaning for my own experience, we are still predicting, still the market is still deciding whether it's going to become an uptrend for the coming few days or downtrend. Okay, so after you check the 4 hours price, and the next thing very important, 1 day chart. This is what I'm going to do. I used to do like that. Okay, after I check the 4 hours chart, the last I will check the 1 day's the price movement chart. Okay, so what we can see here, okay, based on the one day chart, can see, okay, I zoom a bit. Okay, so Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I move up a bit. Okay, you can see you can see the time frame. Okay, since about the beginning of March, about this, like that here, the beginning of March. Okay, the market is started to going up. Okay, very strong uptrend. Okay, so until today is about 1 month plus already. Okay, but if we look back, okay, here this line, okay, meaning 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 is about 10 days ago, the market started to become downtrend. Okay, so the price currently is about 43,000. Okay, so and then now we need to, how to say, actually this price range for me is how to say, it's a status need to observe. Okay, because for me, I'm still observing. Okay, not sure the market is going to become uptrend, still bullish, or become bearish. Okay, I still don't know, but doesn't matter. You know why? Because since we are using Bot and we are using ATM, okay, any price range, actually we still can enter the market. And the difference is, okay, which strategy, okay, we are going to use and apply. Okay, so from the beginning until now, after we study few of the coin chart, okay, for us, okay, we just need to decide. Okay, so at this situation, at this moment, okay, what ATM mode I need to apply. Okay, because if we know, okay, ATM, okay, if you never used before, you can check out the default setting. Basically, we've got 5 major strategy mode. Okay, ATM 10 to ATM 30. Okay, so we got 15, we got 20, we got 25, we got 30. So what is the difference? The lowest the figure, the highest the risk. Meaning, okay, when the market, okay, my prediction is going to be bullish, okay, going to become uptrend. Okay, so at the moment, ATM 10 and ATM 15 will be a better choice. And for now, the market is in a price correction period. So ATM 15 and ATM 25 will be a better option. If now the Bitcoin price keep climbing, okay, up to maybe 48 or up to 50,000 and above, and that moment, okay, for me, I'm not sure whether the price is going to keep going up or down. So more conservative trading move will be recommended lah, like ATM 25 and ATM 30. Okay, so okay, my own suggestion, okay, for better use of ATM mode, okay, study the chart is the most basic thing for us to predict the price is going up and going down. Okay, so because you know, the lower the number, the higher the risk. But of course, you can gain the quick profit also if you use the lowest strategy mode. Okay, so basically, okay, my session is going to be like that. I won't share too deep of the trading technique of any other kind of analysis skill or what. Okay, because you know, for me myself, I take quite a lot of time to learn about the basic skill, and the most important thing, need to apply. Okay, after I learn, I apply. I don't scared about to make any error. Okay, especially currently we are using Recapboard in finance or hobby. We are trading in spot market. Okay, so never worry about your money will gone. Okay, your money will be safe in finance, and Recapboard will help you to take care of your trading. Okay, the most important thing is, if you think you want to get more profit and maximize better use of ATM, okay, you can start to learn about analysis the trading chart. Okay, so it's all about my sharing. Okay, I hope in the future I still can have another chance or what to share more deeper my personal skill lah. Okay, but by the way, don't believe Paul. I'm not a very expert trader also. Okay, I'm handling the system. Okay, it's as my major task in Recabot. Okay, I hope my sharing is going to help. Okay, and just go ahead lah. Okay, don't worry about your money. Go ahead with a minimum capital. Okay, after you get used about the basic ATM setting. Maybe next time I will share more about how to adjust another few more settings, like what is trading entry, how should I adjust, okay, to get a better profit, okay, or how to get a better position price and get the profit better and quicker. Okay, so okay, it's